Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mute messages from a specific chat on Instagram. In this updated guide, we will show you the simple steps to mute notifications from a particular chat on your Android device. To start, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will redirect you to your Instagram direct messages. Now, select the desired chat that you want to mute. Once you are in the chat, tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. This will open up the chat settings for that specific contact. In the chat settings, you will see a notification icon, which looks like a bell. Tap on the bell icon to access more options. Here, you will find the option to mute messages. Simply toggle on the mute messages option to stop receiving notifications from this particular chat. And that's it. You have successfully muted messages from a specific chat on Instagram. This feature is perfect for those chats that are constantly blowing up your notifications. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on social media platforms. Have a great day.